So we're going to do some fish today. You can use any fish you want. I'm using a sole, like a Dover sole, but monkfish or cod would work equally as well. We're going to get that fish. We're going to get some seasoned flour on it. We're going to fry it, and then we're going to make a beautiful smoked paprika tomato sauce. Very easy. Pour that over the top. Job done. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So this is the fish that I'm using. It's a sole. You can use any type of fish that you want, actually. I've cut it into nice big pieces, and you can see there's a bone in there. Very chunky, delightful, beautiful fish. Maybe you could use something like cod or something like that, but this is a beauty. So I've got in there 3 heaped tablespoons of flour. I'm using a wheat flour, all-purpose plain flour. You could use a corn flour or something like that if you want, or some other type. Salt and pepper, a couple of teaspoons each. What we're going to do is give that a little mix so we get a nice seasoned flour. Then we're going to take our fish and just give it a light dusting like that. And then off we go to the cooker to get this fried off. Beautiful. So you're going to need a skillet, pan or something like that. In there I've got 4 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to take our fish and we're going to drop it in. Maybe like a monkfish or something like that would also be nice. It would work quite well. Now I'm going to do this in 2 batches. What we're going to do, medium heat. We're going to fry this for about, in total, maybe 8 or 9 minutes. I'll be turning it a few times. And that's looking absolutely beautiful. So out that comes, I'm going to put that onto some kitchen towel, just so get rid of any excess oil. Really superb, really superb. Okay, got a couple more pieces here. Let me do those, then I'm back. So the fish is done. Now, we've got 1 can of tomatoes there. That was a whole plum tomato, just crushed it with my hand. Cup of onions, about a cup of tomato paste, tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Now, I'm using a sweet smoked paprika, which is absolutely delicious. If you can get the smoked, wow, 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 wee wow. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so let's get this really simple sauce together. So in there, I've got another 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to get our 1 cup of onion in there, along with a tablespoon of chopped garlic. I'm going to add some salt and pepper now. Above medium heat, we're going to go for like 3 minutes. Okay, so those onions are just doing their thing, and that garlic is doing its thing. Let's now grab that tomato paste, like a cup of tomato paste. It's actually 135 grams, one of those kind of small Tetra Pak things. To that we're going to add the smoked paprika and the oregano. And I just want to cook this out just for like 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Just want to cook this paste out a little bit. Fabulous stuff. We're going to get that 1 can of tomatoes. When I say 1 can, 1 regular size can of 400 ml size. And then we're going to give this a little mix, and we're now going to go on a below medium heat for like 6 or 7 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. A beautiful, really simple, tasty sauce for our fish. Okay, off goes the heat. Really beautiful, simple, smoked paprika tomato sauce. What we're going to do now, is I'm going to plate the fish and we're going to get some of that sauce on top. Delicious and simple. So that's really beautifully simple, really lovely and tasty, that one. I really love that. That's great with some pasta, maybe with some tagliatelle or something. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.